Hi guys, we're here. I'm Tiffany.
I'm Francis.
And we're here with another episode of Home with Heart. Today we are going to walk you through how we're going to set up a table for our Galentine's Day brunch. And we're so excited to show you what we have in store for you today. So over here we have all of our supplies that we're going to need, and we're going to show you how we're going to set up for a perfect Galentine's Day brunch.
So as you can see, we have all of our supplies here. We have our plates, our glasses, our utensils. We even have our placemats, some beautiful flowers as our centerpiece. And then we have our huge table over here that's a completely blank space. So stay tuned. We're going to show you guys how we achieved our Galentine's Day brunch. Our Galentine's Day brunch. So this is just a cute, fun idea you guys can do for, all the special ones that you guys have in your life. You can do a nice, fun brunch with your girls, maybe do a mom's brunch. You could do a brunch with your kids. It's an easy, fun setup, and it's great for everyone.
It's all about celebrating love, not just with your significant other, but with all the people you love in your life. And if you missed it last week, we showed you a couple DIY projects. We made these cool bath scrubs as well as the donuts, and we thought it was just a cute touch for a little Galentine's Day brunch to add as a little takeaway gift for all of your gal pals.
So we have the recipe for the scrub, and we have the printables that you can put for your scrubs or for your donuts. So you guys are just gonna click the link in bio, and then when you sign up with your email, you guys will have access to the printables and the recipe for the scrub. So also, I want you guys to check out the rest of our setup that we have here. So we did set up the table, but we do have a couple of other setups going on. We have our scale that we have. It's a real popular steel that we have here in the back. And then we even have, like Tiffany mentioned, our donuts off to the side, with some nice candlesticks. So whatever you guys feel like will work best for your brunch, or even like a dinner party if you guys want to do it, whatever works best for you guys.
So make sure to tune in next week. We'll have something new for you. And comment below with your Galentine's Day playlist must-haves. We want to hear what songs you'll be playing at your Galentine's Day brunch.
Bye guys.
Bye guys. Happy Valentine's Day.